than that, we have a cross here. Here, country number 16. It smells like apples here. I don't know why. And it feels different immediately. The first Georgian village. Let's check it out together. Electricity mass. So Kumud wants me to go here to the left, up this little way. I will not do that. Abandoned buildings. I don't to the left. I don't know how you think about this, but I think it could be bears. So I'm currently sitting here in this chapel. I have some snacks and I'm trying my gloves because they were really wet. You can see it on the shirt there. I have some problems with the fleece. Like I think I should have taken a merino wool instead of all these fleece because it's warm, but if I'm sweating and it does not dry. And now I'm changed to my dry clothes, but still it's not really a good setup for the colder temperatures. Other than that, we have a cross here, some are over here, some Jesus pictures. And that will be my place for the night. It's a little intimidating, to be honest. I have to get myself used again to a new country, to what I can do, how I can do it. With the camping as well, what kind of animals are here, because there are more dense forests. Didn't really have that in Turkey. So I have to adapt, and I want to do it slowly. And thank you, Jan, for recommending me this place. It's nice. Morning, this is the first full day in Georgia. And we are greeted by the sun. It's still cold, but at least there's sun. And here is my little crib. Let me show you around. I have to push. So this is where I slept. I already packed most of the things now because 15 minutes ago someone was banging on the door and he came to light some candles and kiss the cross. So I will pack food now, eat some breakfast and then head to the next town, which is like 1.5 hours away, to get a SIM card, to get some cash, to get supplies and then continue. I'm not quite sure which route I'm going to take. There is one through the forest, but it's not a normal road, not like a paved road, and so I'm a little bit, after the Bosnia-Herzegovina experience, I'm a little bit, not so sure if I should do it again.
Armenia.
Tbilisi.
Tbilisi.
A nice encounter. And the interesting thing was I just stopped there because I had some leftover food and gave it to a dog. And then I was invited to eat. So it's like a karma food chain.
I
A little later, I was invited by these Armenian farmers to share a drink of chacha with them. When I was about to leave, they also gave me something to drink for the way. The next day, I continued my journey through the Georgian countryside.
It's kind of cold now, and now it's also windy, and it's raining a little bit. Okay, now a hailstorm started. Drove not to the end of the village because according to Google there's supposed to be a hostel here, and I'm currently trying to find it. So there are just 2 houses which are in question, but they look pretty closed, and I mean all the pictures from the hostel anyway were from the summer, so I'm not sure if they're even open. I will just walk up and try to find someone. Found it. But yeah, it's not open. Okay, so I will head. Actually, I will check. Hello? Not open. Okay, so plan B, there is a hotel which is a bit more expensive but still okay, and I really need some warmth now in the shower. My feet are frozen, and it will rain the complete night, it will rain the complete day tomorrow, and I'm done with that, so I need to rest in a warm place. So that's what I'm going to do. Time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. Things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Kaman coba? Hello? Coba. Administrator? How much is it? So let me show you around the room. I'm currently the only guest in the hotel. So there's a long aisle coming down to my room. I was first in this one and checked the shower, but it did not. There was no hot water. And if there's one thing I want right now, it's a hot shower, warm shower. So I changed to this one. Yeah, this is the room. I paid now 50 ral or real. It's around. I will put it into the video how much it is. That's a lovely view. And yeah, not a lot more to show. There are some dogs around and it's raining, and you can see in the sky it will continue to rain all night and also completely tomorrow. So that will be my spot for today and tomorrow. I show the bathroom.
All those years have passed along and pain is taking over too, chasing all my memories and sweet times of loving you. Wish that I was lying, I'm not coming home. I never knew that love would be the war.
Really nice place to chill and check out this view. Just amazing. And here, I don't know if you really can see it on the camera, but here look at the big mountain range. Wow. So it's the afternoon now. I will late afternoon. I will make something to eat now. Because of my stove situation, I could not eat something proper for like 1.5 days now. So I found a nice store with nice things to eat, and I will eat it now. And then I think I will not cycle that much. Maybe I will just stay here. The view is amazing. There's some wind, but I think I will stay here. I mean, look at that. It's